Hi guys, Lyndon here. I'm at the magnificent base camp of the Leopard Trail. As you can see, it is a beautiful winter's day, and we are getting ready for yet another great Leopard Trail hike. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, what do we have in our day packs from a first aid kit? So I'm just going to quickly talk you through my first aid kit that I take with me on every trail. It's just for the day. It's lightweight. We're not trying to stave off every emergency. Um, so it's just for the small things that could go wrong on a daily basis. So firstly, I have medications, a variety of drugs for pain, for anti-inflammatories, for nausea, and for diuretics. You never know when you might need it. Then I have Dermadine or some antiseptic ointment, along with normal plasters. These are a variety of different size plasters and shapes, mainly for blisters, which is the most common thing that I use plasters for or give to other hikers on the trail who are hiking with me. I do go with some bigger plasters in case there's a wound or something that needs a bit more care. In addition to these, which are plasters that you can use in place of stitches if you need to hold a wound closed. So very, very useful to have in your medical aid kit. You can get them from most pharmacies as a stitch replacement for when you're in the field. I take some burn gel in case someone gets burnt, and then a variety of bandages. Here I've just got a triangular bandage, and then one of my favorite items in my medical kit is a stretchy bandage, which you can use for a lot of different things. This particular one is also very custom designed for snake and spider bites when you need to have exactly the right pressure. The way it works is that at the moment you can see there's a rectangle on the bandage, and when you are stretching it over and winding it around an arm or a leg, you know you've got exactly the right pressure. When that rectangle stretches out to be a square, then it is exactly the right pressure for that particular incident. So there you go. I hope you have a great hike and come well prepared.